and welcome to another new video on my channel. And this is going to be Father's Day special. Today I have with me not one but two special guests, very young, enterprising, and you will love the conversation. He's a new father, though he has already has an illustrious father. And today we will talk about his new journey, and it's my privilege that he has taken out time for me. And he though he's of my son's age, so the conversation is going to be very informal, just adda. And since he's of my son's age, so I'll mostly converse in Bengali, and আমি ওকে তুই বলবো। তো ও খুবই একটা সিম্পল ছেলে। আমি ওকে কিভাবে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করাবো, যদিও হি ইজ much privileged, but he is very simple in his thoughts, in his mannerisms, which attracts me very much. I learn from him, we all learn from each other, and his personality attracts me, and I hope you all will like him, like our conversation. So please watch till the end and do leave a comment. So now I welcome a very young, energetic, dynamic person, and his name is Anshuman Ghosh.
নমস্কার
Hello,
সকলকে।
Anshuman.
নমস্কার।
আমার আর ওর তো আন্টির আর
একদম
ছেলের রিলেশন, সো
একদম।
অংশুমান আজকে এখানে আসতে পেরে খুব ভালো লাগছে। তুই টাইম দিয়েছিস এত বিজি স্কেডিউলের মধ্যে, বিকজ হি ম্যানেজেস lots of things, he wears lots of hats at the same time, so it is really an honor for me. And his new responsibility as a father takes up all the other time he has. So আমি ওখানে একটুখানি ঢুকে গেছি আর কি।
Nara, thank you so much. Thank you so much for it's a pleasure for me actually to be in this.
You're welcome, you're welcome. আর বল অংশু, কিরকম তোর নতুন, যেহেতু এটা আমার ফাদার্স ডে এর এপিসোড করতে চাইছি, তো তুই এখন নতুন ফাদার, কিরকম লাগছে এই জার্নিটা একটু বল।
না মানে যেটা ছোটবেলায় সবসময় মনে হতো যে না বাবারা কি, এখন বোঝা যাচ্ছে বাবারা কি। সো দ্যাটস আ ভেরি ক্রুশিয়াল থিং, যেটা হয়তো ছোটবেলায় যখনই আমরা ছিলাম তখন আমরা বলতাম হ্যাঁ বাবা তো বলেছে এই কথাটা, বাট কেন ওটা বিশ্বাস করতে হবে সেটা জানি না। But now we understand that what is actually being a father.
So
exactly, that is very true. That is very true. So that's a very different feeling. Obviously, since his birth, so our son, he was born in HP Ghosh Hospital. From that day onwards till this day, I'm still surprised that I'm actually a father. And I have a kid, so that's a very different thing altogether. It's going to take time for sure. Absolutely, but it's marvelous.
Absolutely, congratulations.
Thank
to
you so
the
much.
New parents, my heartiest blessings, so that he grows up into a person like you.
No.
So
absolutely, but he has to be a person like himself, so that's the main thing. Otherwise
everyone is
fine.
unique in
Exactly.
their own way.
Exactly.
একটু বল অংশু, তো ছোটবেলাটা কোথায় কেটেছে?
আমার ছোটবেলা, so as far as I remember, আমরা আগে কন্যগড়ে থাকতাম, which is far past in the north of Calcutta, and then post that we came to Dunlop, and then from Dunlop we came to Survey Park, and then from Survey Park we came to Urbana. Now we are where we are living. But I clearly remember when I was in Konnagar, it was my dadu's, yeah, so it was my dadu's place, and that dadu is my father's uncle. So that's where we used to live with a joint family, a lot of extended family together.
So you have always been brought up in a joint family?
Oh, yes, most of my childhood actually been in the joint family itself. So তখন ওই সময় অতটা তো মনে থাকে না, because it's very young age at that point of time. So তখন ওই গ্লিমস এন্ড বিটস এন্ড যখন ছবি দেখি তখন বুঝতে পারি আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ এটা তো হয়েছিল। So that's what it is. But রিমেম্বার করা হয় যে দাদুরা, so only saw that grandfather
দাদু
of
মানে
mine.
বাবার কাকু।
বাবার কাকু, বিকজ আমি বাবার বাবাকে দেখিনি কখনো।
Okay,
সো
okay.
আমার জন্য বাবার কাকুই ছিল আমার
Okay,
দাদু,
দাদু, okay.
বিকজ না আমি মার বাবা দেখেছি না আমি
আচ্ছা।
আমার বাবার বাবা দেখেছি।
আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা।
So he used to take care of me like a grandfather, মানে
হুম,
grandfather,
হুম,
and
হুম,
hence
হুম।
I am his own grandson.
Okay,
So
okay.
ওরকম ভাবেই ইয়ে করতো। But
আচ্ছা।
then when I lost him, at that point of time it was a very difficult time as well, because for me he was my only one and only grandfather. So ওইখান থেকে তারপর obviously যখন আমার স্কুল চেঞ্জ হয় from Khalsa Model to Assembly of God Church, then we shifted to Survey Park. That was the first home that my dad took by himself. So that was a different milestone. And from there, when I came to college in St. Xavier's College, then we shifted here post my class 12 from Future Foundation. Tapor abar then that was a different milestone. So মানে a
You
lot
have
of
done your higher studies in UK, I heard.
yes. So I have done my masters in international business from University of Exeter.
Okay.
So post that I came back and I was working with Quadra, and then within that period I also went to Harvard to take another course on business families and
Wow,
everything.
wow.
So yeah, that's
And just let me just tell you that his father is the founder of Bandhan Bank, Mr. Chandrasekhar Ghosh. So you can make out from which family he belongs to. So just for your information.
thank
And
you so
then
much.
অংশু তুই একটু বল তোর মানে hobbies, তোর past time. As far as
So-
I know, তুই খুব tech savvy.
হ্যাঁ মানে অলওয়েজ লাভ টেক, তার কারণটাও হচ্ছে ইট ইজ ফ্রম মাই ফাদার ইটসেলফ।
Okay.
তখন ওই সময়ে ব্ল্যাকবেরি বেরিয়েছিল,
আচ্ছা।
he bought that blackberry,
Okay.
and like that time it was like every single small innovation coming in the tech field, from a blackberry like keypad phone to a touch screen, then from touch screen to now iPhones. So that has been in my life all throughout, even in terms of camera, that has also been throughout in my life. But other than that I was mainly focused in sports.
Okay.
So মানে বাড়িতে
মানে cricket, football?
ইয়েস ক্রিকেট শুরু থেকে আমি ক্রিকেট আগে খেলতাম, তো তখন আমি ক্লাস 7 অব্দি ক্রিকেট খেলেছি।
Okay.
Post that I came into athletics. So তখন আমার ওই 100-200 meters and everything. So when I was in class 11 I got the opportunity for district, state and nationals, and then I went for that. I performed well enough but not well enough to get a medal in nationals, but unfortunately mainly because
You enjoyed what you did. That's
yes,
more important.
absolutely.
Medal and prizes are not so important.
No, absolutely. But
So
I
who
loved
were you
it.
more close to, Baba na Ma?
It is very difficult actually, because আমি যদি সত্যি কথা বলি, থ্রু অ্যান্ড থ্রু যেটা নর্মালি মনে হয় সব ছেলে মেয়েদের, যে when we are a kid, the mom plays the vital role.
More, huh? Exactly.
So at that point of time we don't understand the value of father. But when you grow up, or we grow up after a like school, college and university level, and then we go into the like the actual battlefield,
Battlefield.
যেটাকে আমরা বলি যে জীবনের যুদ্ধ।
যুদ্ধ।
সো
তখন
যখন
বোঝা যায় যে
জীবনের
বাবা কি করেছে।
এক্স্যাক্টলি, সো যখন জীবনের যুদ্ধ আমি পড়ি তখন আবার মনে হয় যে না, বাবার এখন বাবার কাছ থেকে জ্ঞানটা নিতে হবে, বাবা এটা বলবে, এটা শুনতে হবে, এটা বুঝতে পারি।
মানে বাবা এটা করেছে তার মানে বাবা
Exactly.
কতটা স্ট্রাগল
Exactly.
করেছে, you understand then.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
So it's a phase wise. I will not say anyone is my favorite, but both are my favorite. But that's what it is.
And he has his, most importantly, he has his grandmother with him
Yes.
who takes care of his child, so that's a blessing. And she's super active.
That's
isn't
true.
it?
That's true.
So
That's true.
কিরকম মানে ঠাকুমার সঙ্গে কিরকম বন্ডটা?
আমার মনে হয় ঠাকুমার সাথে, since even if it's in the beginning it was a joint family, but most of the time post becoming a nuclear family, ঠাকুমা used to stay with us
you all,
only
huh?
most of the time. So I had a very different bonding at that point of time, because I know যে ঠাকুমার কাছে গেলে আমি মার খাওয়া থেকে বেঁচে যাবো। That's always has been the safe space. মানে যাই হোক না কেন ঠাকুমা আমাকে বাঁচিয়ে নেবে, কারণ দাদু ছিলেন না, তো ওই জিনিসটা অতটা বুঝতে পারিনি। বাট জানি ঠাকুমা ইজ লাইক মানে যখনই কিছু
Safe place.
হ্যাঁ মানে মার সাথে একটা ঝামেলা হবে আমি দৌড়ে
I
ঠাকুমার রুমে চলে আসবো
know.
ঠাকুমা ঠাকুমা বাঁচাও বাঁচাও
It
বাঁচাও
happens everywhere. It
So-
happens. And একটা নাতি বলে কথা। So ঠাকুমা তো বাঁচাবেই।
Absolutely. So
Okay.
at that point of time,
And
it was a very
then,
different thing.
I have been a part of your marriage, which was like a fairy tale come true.
Thank you so
So,
much.
how has been your married life?
Obviously, I would say nothing less than a fairy tale. 100%.
We are witness.
Exactly. So post marriage again, new responsibilities, new thing, new
It's a
life.
blessing. It's a blessing.
Absolutely. And then post that, we also had our first child just post marriage. So another blessing altogether. A lot of
God has been
responsibility.
kind.
Yes, God has been
doesn't
kind.
give everybody.
That's
It's a
true.
gift, greatest gift a couple can dream of.
That's true.
Uh-huh.
Like we wouldn't have been happier than that. Obviously, that's like another milestone achieved in a short period of time. But again, a
Now
lot
you
of
feel more responsibilities.
exactly. Because like now there is no chance of doing anything like doing any hanky pankies. It's like all a straight life now. You have to be more responsible, do certain things at certain ages, and then go forward.
It's a beautiful journey. I'm
That's
sure you're enjoying.
Absolutely.
And now I would like you to introduce his better half. Very gorgeous, very beautiful, and very friendly, very cute. Aheli.
Thank you so much.
So you can just keep it.
I'll keep it.
if you want to.
ওখানে-
So first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And how are you enjoying your motherhood?
Motherhood is lovely. It's changed everything. I feel very blessed. I'm very lucky. আমার মাঝে মাঝে মনে হয় I don't মানে it's a blessing for me. একটা ছেলে and I love him with all my heart. So it feels surreal যে তোমার ভেতর থেকে ওই জিনিসটা বেরোয় and how can you love that thing more than your own life? So it's a
Exactly.
beautiful feeling. for
Like
me.
it's a part of your body, but outside, just
Yeah.
outside, and you feel his pain, you feel his happiness. It's so surreal. You just have to experience
And
it.
you made that baby with your better half. Like, it's just two hearts coming together and creating magic. So it's no short of magic, no short of a fairy tale. So
I know.
it's amazing.
And Aheli, you have brothers, sisters, or you have been. You are from Kolkata, proper Kolkata.
I'm from Kolkata. I'm from South Kolkata, Bhawanipur and Miami. And unfortunately or fortunately, I don't have any siblings. I have been the only child,
And always grown up in a nuclear. family.
always in a nuclear family. So I've always, been lonely. I always wanted like a sibling.
Okay.
And I always, even after marriage, I told Angshuman, I want many kids. I want many babies because I never want to be left alone. I want to be in everyone's life, occupied. So yes, it's always been a thing in me to be a mother, to nurture, to take care.
Best
So,
part of a woman is to, I think, be a mother, to create something.
absolutely.
So I think, and God is really kind. So, and about your childhood, have you been very reserved? As far as I have seen you, you are very like, you don't talk much.
I don't. Actually,
But with
I
me, she is very friendly. Let me tell you.
inherently I'm
She's a sweetheart. She's a sweetheart.
inherently I am an introvert because I think you can it's a result of the circumstance because chotobala থেকে only living in a nuclear family, going to La Martiniere also, it created a lot of pressure in my mind. Didn't have much cousins, so ওই ভাবে I was conditioned in that way. But তারপর আস্তে আস্তে when I went to Xavier's, I saw so many people from different walks of life coming together. ওইখান থেকে I realized life is just networking. You need to make more friends, create connections.
Absolutely.
And I had the privilege to go to London and study and work there also. That was a beautiful experience. Karon okhane giye I met so many people of different races. I understood ki koto rokomer log, koto oder bhabna chinta, and life is so big. It's there's so much to life. So I learned a lot from there. So it was a beautiful experience. God has been kind. Life is good, and I'm really enjoying. I've enjoyed life so far.
And the parents must be very happy now that they have become grandparents.
Parents are
Obviously.
the happiest. Mane, I think it's a parent's dream come true. बोलते
Absolutely,
गए.
absolutely.
Grandparents' dream come
Grand,
true.
sorry, grandparents' dream
Absolutely.
come true.
Absolutely.
Ekdom.
Now you enjoy being with this family which has a grandmother, his mother, his parents.
Mane,
So-
if you think of it this way, it's 4 generations living together.
Absolutely, absolutely. This is something really, this doesn't happen everywhere.
It can sound a little scary, but আমার মনে হয় this is the best experience
Blessing.
of my life. Blessing also, because এখানে you learn so much from the legend, my father-in-law. You learn so much from him. You learn so much of patience from my mother-in-law, Ma. I learned so much of values from Anshuman's grandmother. My child is so lucky he is going to, soak in all of this. So it's a blessing for me, Ayan, and Anshuman also. So it's one of the best feelings. He's around cousins. He's around so much of family, values. He's learning business and values at the same time. He's learning how to be a good person, how to be grounded. So it is a very good experience.
I'm
me.
sure he's going to be a super human being with good values and good civic sense and everything. And I
Hopefully.
wish him all the best because you both are hands-on parents. So you will give your good vibes will automatically be inculcated in him. And he has his grandparents, so that is a biggest thing that they will inculcate their values. So I wish you all the best.
Thank
and
you.
thank you so
Thank
much
Thank you
talking
so
to
much.
me.
Thank you for having us.
And I have something small for them so that just to make them happy because though they are parents but still they are children. To me,
Always,
they will always be
always.
children. So the big one for the mother.
Thank you. Thank
Small
you.
one for the father.
Thank you so much.
But they are equally lovable and lots of blessings to them. And I would request you all to bless them and like my video and please comment and share if you like it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.